Are you stuck at home due to your domestic responsibilities? Or are you penny pinching because of your low income? Worry not, as we're about to introduce you to a world of easy money making. Money's just a click away, and the more you click, the more you'll make. All of these could be catchy slogans for this business, as literally this is what it means. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. It is simple, as mentioned earlier. Every time you click, you will automatically earn either 20 cents or 40 cents, and this number goes up to $1. You might wonder, how many clicks can a person possibly do in one day? Maybe it's not much, so that's why the business is ready to pay. Or even ponder that the 20 cents and 40 cents are insufficient. Then let us provide you with statistics that'll prove the clicks per earn is a money-making business. In fact, even better than your day job. According to the current statistics, it is proven that a working man will click about 5,000 to 7,000 times a day. Hence, if you were in this business, just calculate how much money you could be making. Yeah, you're right, that's like $1,000 a day. Doesn't it sound even better than a day job? If not, then at least it's good as passive income, which means it is an income earned through a business that you are not actively participating in. And such an income is not accounted for in taxes. A double blast for your earnings and savings. If you get started, make sure to watch this video from start till finish without skipping any part of it, because you gotta understand what and how to run this business so that you don't make any mistakes. Making a mistake in any business would ruin a good opportunity and might get you into trouble. So with the disclaimer out of the way, let's get into the video on how to mint some money through this opportunistic business. Several websites provide you this opportunity. The first one we're going to see is EntireWeb.com, which is just like a Google search engine. You need to create visitors for this website by sharing this link with your friends, family, or heck, even strangers. This link could be shared through an email or posted on your site or through your affiliate banner. You might wonder what would happen if a person visits this website through your lead after months or even years. Don't worry, as this website is supported by Post Affiliate Pro, which is a renowned tracking software. Hence, even if a person visits after a month, then the program will track the referrals properly and the sales will be confirmed automatically. Thus, payment will also be made duly. Let us remind you though, this payment is made for the first click, and as well as if the visitor goes through the whole process. Cookies will also not be a problem because this program allows tracking the visitor despite the cookies being disabled. Due to the success marketing and the web design, they have a high conversion rate, so their service is 100% free. You can receive the payment through PayPal, as they make payments in US dollars and their minimum payout is $50. But worry not, you would make $50 in a few minutes as the payment is 20 cents per click. Once you've understood how the business works, all you have to do is sign up to get started. Before that, just a reminder, it is important to understand that you will get paid only when there are visits clicked through your link, so post and share your link as much as possible. The referral system works when your family or a friend clicks on the link and additional payment starts happening every time they click on the website for search. Just like how the Google search engine is used even to find out what your partner would like for dinner. The most important information to be filled out are your first name, your last name, your username, the name of your country, and of course your payout details. Now you're all set up and ready to go. Isn't it pretty dang simple and pretty dang amazing? The next website we're going to introduce to you is Herculist.com. The highlight of this website is you get $5 just for signing up. You can advertise to thousands of people for free, and you can also earn up to 50% of the commission of the fees for affiliate programs. For those who are not aware of what an affiliate program is, websites that send traffic to the merchant's website get paid for their advertising services. Since Hercules has been out there for nearly 20 years, marketing for thousands of businesses worldwide, it's not only trusted, but they also make this payment within the first 24 hours. They promise their vendors that they have real people visiting you, and not just any bots created to fake traffic. Also, they have options for splash pages, which make the advertisements catchy, as the entire screen is covered like the splash of an ad. There are currently 181,875 verified emailers, thus making the marketing reach pretty good and also 100% safe. There are more pros to this website actually. For instance, they are mobile friendly and thus you can post your ad from anywhere at any time. No wonder they're marketing for 20 years, as their experience has allowed them for more innovations, such as their Prime ad and the Zone advertising platforms, which are the recent marketing tools. The reach is better, thus the traffic created is higher. It's the complete package for advertising, and hence the user is provided with a unique experience, and the visitor turns into a customer. This will be supported in their testimony section. You can check out their growth as they've been able to create more leads, thus leading to sales, which is the secret behind their success. Now they're ready to share their success with you. All you gotta do is sign up, and of course, now you've received $5. Enter your first name, your last name, your username, your password, and of course your Gmail account. And once you've signed in, you have 3 payment plans, namely Free, Gold, and Pro. There's a lot of benefits if you sign up for Gold and Pro, but if you're unwilling to pay, then you could just upgrade to the plans once you've started earning enough with the free payment plan. Once the payment plan is chosen, another page will open for you to verify your email account. Then the homepage will open where you will find a column for regular mailers. This is where your money minting starts. You can enter a subject line which could say, "A search engine better than Google." Then type your affiliate link, for example, like the previously mentioned EntireWeb.com. Also, enter the link into the test URL and type out the ad body, which is the consent for your advertisement. It could say, if you want a faster and more efficient way to search, then check out this website, which is way better than Google. Now all you gotta do is click on Submit Ad and wait, as it might take a couple of minutes to get sent out to thousands of people out there. So what now? Apart from the already existing $5, you have to wait for those thousands of people to check out your link, and then the money will start accumulating into your account. These two above websites go hand in hand, so you can create accounts in both and start earning in double. Since EntireWeb.com needs you to promote them, you could use Herculist.com for the promotion, and this way you could earn from EntireWeb.com as well as from Herculist.com. I hope this video has helped provide you the information you need to start a whole new business for your passive income. It's really quite easy and very useful for anyone with a laptop or a smartphone and minimum access to the internet. Homemakers can become money makers. Job seekers can become job givers. It's quite easy for you to earn in lakhs and save that money because, well, you can maintain them in your account. All you have to do is the minimum amount of clicking. Then you just gotta wait for the money to get accumulated into your account. If you're on a day job and then the spare time from your lunch is enough for this business and it really won't interfere with your family time once you get home. Students can earn from this and stop being dependent on their parents. Isn't it just a good opportunity for people, like from all walks of life? I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit that like button and comment below. And also, to get further updates, select the bell icon. And most importantly, keep yourself updated by subscribing to our channel.